Hi friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. In this video, we are going to understand the operations management, in that marketing operations part 2. So this is in continuation to the previous video of marketing part 1. In this video, we are going to understand people of marketing mix and then period and also the physical environment of wherever we are going to launch this particular product. From people, there are certain things which we need to be very clear, like culture, like what is that particular culture of the people over there. So when we are launching any particular product, we need to understand that particular culture of the people over there, then we have to launch that particular product. And not only that, even economic condition also. So in a relatively a poor country or something like that, there is no point in launching an highly premium product or something like that. Age, like what are we targeting for? Are we targeting for the people who are lesser than 20 years of age, or are we targeting something like middle age people, something like 30 to 50 years, or is it really a elder people above 60 or above 70 years of age? So this also we need to be very clear from marketing point of view. And are we targeting for males or females? And then what is the education criteria in the complete country? Like if it is a relatively not so highly educated country, there would be a lot of demand for certain educational programs or something like that. So based on all these parameters, we need to take those things into consideration when we are doing the marketing and marketing mix strategies. When we talk about the period, this is nothing but timing, and right timing is everything. And at the right timing, if we get the right product, then we can have a huge success of this particular product. So a right product even at a wrong time can be a disaster for our organization and for our marketing concept itself. We need to be also clear with respect to not only alone timing but also the product life cycle, so which we would be understanding in the next slide. Any particular product will have certain phases, like innovation phase, the thing like idea, and then where it generated from that, and then it will undergo a growth phase, then it will be having a stability phase for certain time, and then finally every product has to undergo something called as decline. So all these things we need to concentrate when we are talking about the period in the marketing mix. Then from the physical environment point of view, we should be clear in environmental or climatic conditions and also the infrastructure, whatever that is having. So in climatic conditions, there are certain parameters like temperature, relative humidity, dust, light, these kind of things. Like I can give you an example. If you are into some kind of a chocolate manufacturing company, then you should be very sure that are you giving this for a European region where the temperature would be relatively lesser, so you do not have to really maintain the chocolate, avoiding the melting of that. So if you are operating that one in a relatively high temperature areas like Middle East or in India or something like that, tropical countries like that, then you need to be very careful. This particular chocolate, whatever that you are giving, until it reaches to the customer, it should not be in a molten condition. So all these minute details we need to be practicing or understanding or doing a research before we launch any particular product. Then from infrastructure also, certain countries or certain places will be having an excellent roads or air connectivity. They may not have a sea connectivity at all, or rail or space, these kind of things. So whenever we are having our components in any of these areas, we need to have the logistics, packaging and the transportation modes that is validated prior to releasing any of these particular products in this kind of an environment. So to conclude, the marketing mix is very crucial in having a right product and right service for targeting for right consumer. So that's all in this video. Thank you so much.